How to fix turn on professional mode grid out on Facebook in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your Facebook. Now click on your account. After clicking on your account, then here you can see these three dots. Now click on it. And here you can see professional mode is grid out. Now if you want to fix this problem, then simply click on unlock profile and then again click on unlock. Now click on unlock your profile. After unlock your profile, then open profile settings again, and here you can see turn on professional mode is no more grayed out. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.